Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can make a super easy bee trap. It's really effective at keeping your wooden structures safe from carpenter bee damage, and it'll only take you 20 to 30 minutes depending on your skill set, and it will hardly cost anything to build. The items that you'll need for this build are a drill, a saw, a glass jar, a 1/2 inch drill bit, a 1.5 inch drill bit, a wood chunk, a few screws, a scrap piece of wood, a hammer, and a 1 3/4 inch staple. First off, you'll need to find the wood for the trap. I like to use eastern red cedar because I can find it easily, we have a lot of it around here, and it's rot resistant. You're going to look for a piece of wood that's about 4 inches in diameter and 6 inches in length. If a piece of wood like this is not readily available around you, you can also use a 6-inch section of a 4x4 post. Once you have your piece of wood, you're going to take your 1/2 inch drill bit, and at an angle you'll drill on 4 sides of the piece of wood, angled down and towards the center of the chunk of wood. Once your 4 sides are drilled, you will drill a 1.5 inch hole down the center of the wood until it connects to the 4 holes that you drilled on the side. Now before you do this, you're going to need to take your scrap piece of wood and screw it onto the top of your bee trap. Make sure that the screws holding onto the bee trap are far enough to the side that your drill bit will not hit them. You'll have to keep a tight grip on the drill because there's a lot of torque involved while making a hole this size. Once you're finished with this hole, make sure that all 4 holes on the side are connected to the center hole. Make sure you clear any splintered wood blocking the entrances into the small 1/2 inch holes. Once your holes are completed, you'll flip your trap over and hammer your 1 3/4 inch staple into the top. Now the wooden portion of your trap is complete. Next, take the lid to your glass jar and you'll take the same 1.5 inch drill bit and you'll slowly drill a hole through the top of the cap. You'll need to make sure you drill this slowly because the cap will easily tear if you drill it fast with this size drill bit. Once the hole in your cap is complete, you'll line it up with the hole on the bottom of the bee trap, and you'll take 2 smaller screws and screw the cap onto the bee trap. Make sure the screws don't interfere with screwing the jar onto the cap. I had to angle the screws inward to make sure this didn't happen. Once the cap is attached to the bottom of the bee trap, you can screw on the jar, and now you have a completed bee trap. You can hang your bee trap up around your wooden structures, and you'll watch over time as the bee trap fills up with bees. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe and press the notification button. That way you'll be notified when I come out with more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.